Hello and welcome. Did you know that Haier has been awarded the global #1 refrigerator brand for 16 consecutive years? Haier also holds 75% market share in bottom-mounted refrigerators, in short, BMR. Haier was the first to introduce BMRs in India, and let us tell you why Haier BMR is the most loved bottom-mounted refrigerator. In India, the fridge section is used on an average 90% of the time, whereas freezer section is used about 10% of the time, which means more bending to take out your daily consumables from the refrigerator. When Haier introduced India's first bottom-mounted refrigerator with freezer at the bottom and fridge on the top, the daily fruits and vegetables got placed at eye level, which meant bending reduction by 90%. And this in the pop culture became Haier's Jhukna Mat advantage. Indian consumers have a rich tradition of incorporating a wide variety of vegetables and fruits into their daily diet, which means there's an imminent need for bigger storage. Haier BMR is specially designed to have a 2 times bigger vegetable box and a proper separate fruit box, so that you can store more while keeping the food fresh, avoiding mixing of order. Lifestyle and kitchen needs of the Indian consumers are changing. They need flexible storage, better utilization of space according to their family size and cooking styles. Haier BMR has 14-in-1 convertible modes, which means you can customize the temperature settings in 14 different ways to suit your very specific needs. For example, on a given day, if you don't need frozen food, you can convert the freezer section into a fridge. The primary function of a refrigerator is to preserve food at low temperatures, keeping it fresh. But you cannot achieve this with uneven cooling inside the refrigerator. Haier BMRs come with a signature magic cooling that ensures 360-degree cooling throughout the refrigerator, keeping the food fresh for longer. See it for yourself. The temperature is same in 2 different sections. The utility of an appliance is in its controls. This is an external digital LED touch panel in a Haier BMR. Without opening the door, you have complete control of temperature and mode selection right here. Let's call it easy and stylish. When you have last-minute guests coming, Haier BMR steps up to the plate. Its 1-hour icing technology accelerates ice formation within an hour. Just twist the knob and enjoy your drink. Indian households have large and heavy utensils. And if someone tells you be careful with the glass shelf, don't be. Because Haier BMR has stiffened glass shelves with chrome edge. It can pretty much take on anything. If you have an enviable collection of cosmetics, you want extended shelf life and reduced spoilage, there's a special utility rack in Haier BMR. This will store your luxury beauty collection at just the optimum temperature. There is a big problem with ordinary refrigerator, hygiene, when bacteria starts to grow around the perimeter of the refrigerator. Haier BMR has this antibacterial gasket which is removable and therefore easy to clean. Hygiene is important. Did you know that one of the reasons for food wastage inside your refrigerator is poor visibility? Haier BMR has better bright LED light. Now you can see better and eat better. Low wastage, more utility. It's important for a refrigerator to not just bring down the temperature inside, but also do that faster. Haier BMR has thicker puff insulation in its door, much thicker than a conventional one. This ensures faster and better cooling, plus energy saving. Isn't that amazing? Haier BMR is available in steel and glass finishes, which is scratch resistant, rust-free and easy to clean. Go, take your pick.